In a beautiful 3D cartoon-style bedroom, a charming wooden wall clock with a friendly face hangs on the wall. The clock gently strikes 1 o'clock, accompanied by a soft bell sound. The room is filled with warm lighting, colorful toys, and soft pastel tones, making it a cozy place for children to play. Tick-tock, it's 1 o'clock. Time to have some fun and learn, the clock said cheerfully. A small gray mouse with soft fur and big cute eyes peeks out from a hole in the wall under the clock. The mouse looks excited and curious. He slowly walks forward on a shiny wooden floor with toys scattered around in the softly lit room. The cute mouse happily runs towards a piece of yellow cheese lying on the floor. The mouse sniffs it and takes a small bite. The whole scene is bright, cheerful, and playful.